Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best youth apron is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of gear for any young aspiring chef or artist, offering a protective barrier against spills, stains, and creative messes, ensuring that their culinary adventures or artistic endeavors remain focused on the fun and learning rather than the cleanup, making it an indispensable tool for fostering independence and confidence in the kitchen or studio. Number 5. Kids Adjustable Cooking Chef Aprons, 2-pack. Introducing our 2-pack of kids' aprons, perfect for all their creative adventures. Designed for comfort and durability, they're ready for any mess. These aprons feature a large pocket to hold all their essentials, keeping their clothes clean during baking, painting, or gardening. They are also stain-resistant for easy cleanup. With adjustable neck straps and ties, these aprons grow with your child. They ensure a comfortable fit for toddlers and older kids alike. Whether they're exploring the kitchen, getting artistic with paint, or playing in the garden, these aprons provide the protection they need. Made from high-quality, stain-resistant material, these aprons are built to last and simple to wash. Spend less time cleaning and more time creating. Give the gift of mess-free creativity. These aprons are ideal for both boys and girls, encouraging their imagination and hands-on learning. What we like. This set comes with 2 aprons, perfect for siblings or for having a spare. The large pocket is great for holding utensils or art supplies. If you're looking for a practical and durable option for everyday messy fun, this is a great choice. What people say. The apron is made of a durable, waterproof material that is easy to clean. It features adjustable straps for a comfortable fit and 2 large pockets for storing tools. The design is cute and functional, perfect for kids who love to get messy while crafting or cooking. Number 4. Uncommon Threads. Discover uncommon threads, where fashion meets individuality. We offer a curated collection designed to help you stand out from the crowd. Embrace your personal style with pieces that tell your story. Our selection is carefully chosen for those who dare to be different. Find garments that reflect your personality and make a statement. It's time to wear what truly represents you. Experience the difference of superior quality and distinctive design. Each item is crafted with attention to detail, ensuring both durability and style. You'll love the feel and look of these unique pieces. Move past fleeting trends and embrace timeless style. Our collection focuses on pieces that transcend the ordinary and offer lasting appeal. Be inspired to create looks that are uniquely yours. Uncommon Threads is more than just clothing. It's a canvas for your self-expression. Wear your story, define your style, and embrace the uncommon. Shop the collection today and find your perfect fit. What we like. Get a fantastic value with this set of 24 aprons in 12 vibrant colors. They are perfect for parties, classrooms, or any event where you need multiple aprons. If you love to personalize items or need aprons for a group, these are ideal for adding names or designs. What people say. The apron is made of durable material and has adjustable straps for a comfortable fit. It features multiple pockets, which are very convenient for storing tools and supplies. The design is practical and offers good coverage, protecting clothes from spills and stains. Number 3. 24 pieces 12 colors Kids Chef Aprons XL. These large kids' aprons measure approximately 17 by 24 inches, perfect for children aged 7 to 13. They come with adjustable ties for a comfortable, customized fit. Make them uniquely theirs. You can easily add names or designs using heat transfer vinyl. Just remember to use the lowest heat setting for best results. Crafted from high-quality polyester, these aprons are built to last. They are non-fading, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, ensuring they stay sturdy and comfortable for all their activities. Ignite their creativity with 12 bright and engaging colors. From red to blue, these vibrant hues add a splash of fun to any project. Ideal for cooking parties, art sessions, or birthday celebrations. These aprons are a fantastic and practical gift for birthdays or holidays, encouraging endless fun and creativity. This set includes 24 aprons, ensuring you have plenty for multiple children or events. It's a great value for parties and group activities. What we like. These half aprons are designed for serious protection against spills. The water and oil-resistant material keeps clothes clean, and the 3 pockets are super handy. If you're a server, bartender, or enjoy messy crafts, this apron offers excellent functionality and durability. What people say. The apron is made of a durable, waterproof material that is easy to clean. It features adjustable straps for a comfortable fit and large pockets for storing tools. The design is cute and functional, perfect for kids who love to get creative in the kitchen or art studio. Number 2. 2-pack Waitress apron with 3 pockets. Introducing our new line of aprons, designed for ultimate protection. They are water, oil, and dirt resistant, offering superior durability compared to standard aprons. Crafted from high-quality polyester, these aprons offer a soft, cotton-like feel for maximum comfort. They are safe for use in various settings like your kitchen or restaurant. Enjoy the convenience of extra-long ties for a comfortable fit, and 3 large pockets to hold all your essentials. Double-stitched edges ensure these will last. Perfect for a wide range of activities, from cooking and serving to gardening and crafts. These aprons are suitable for both professional and personal use. Maintaining these aprons is simple, just machine wash them with dark clothes. We're here to help if you have any questions about your new apron. What we like. This adorable set includes both an apron and a matching chef hat, making it feel extra special. Made from soft, breathable cotton, it's comfortable for little ones. If you're looking for a cute outfit for a budding chef or a fun craft project, this set is a wonderful option. What people say. The apron is made of waterproof material, which is great for keeping clothes clean. It has adjustable straps for a comfortable fit. The pockets are a good size for holding small tools or art supplies. Number 1. Kids Cotton Apron and Chef Hat Set. Introducing our adorable kids apron and chef hat set, perfect for your little one's culinary adventures. It's the ideal companion for kitchen fun and creative projects. Looking for a unique gift? This set is perfect for personalization with embroidery or other decorations. Let their creativity shine. Featuring a handy front pocket and adjustable neck strap, this apron ensures a comfortable fit. Made from high-quality, machine-washable 100% cotton for easy care. Available in 2 sizes to fit toddlers and older children, from ages 2 to 12. The matching chef hat includes an elastic band for a secure fit. These aprons are built to last through all sorts of creative endeavors, from baking to painting. They keep clothes clean while allowing for maximum fun. Simply machine wash and tumble dry low. This durable set is ready for countless hours of imaginative play and learning. What we like. This apron offers a comfortable and secure fit with its adjustable neck strap. It's designed to withstand active use, making it suitable for a variety of activities. If you need a reliable apron that provides good coverage and can be easily adjusted for a perfect fit, this is a solid choice. What people say. The apron is made of a durable, waterproof material that is easy to clean. It has adjustable straps for a comfortable fit and multiple pockets for storing tools. The design is cute and functional, with a good coverage area to protect clothing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.